Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the July 2024 flavors of the month. So the flavors of the month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a great way to add product to your stash each and every month that's new, hot off the presses. You're also going to get lots of freebies along with it. So you're going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You can brew that up when you unpack your boxes or when you start creating. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. So these are for double page layouts. Our design team creates them and then they photograph them so you can see them and give you their cutting and assembly instructions. So you can create right along with our talented design team. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed exclusively by Cut to You for our subscribers. So this month is this awesome Happy 4th of July cut file with the little Polaroid. So this is going to be great. You could cut it out of your cardstock, pop a little photo in on top of one of these beautiful background papers and have you a layout documenting the 4th. This month, our 4 collections are Sunflower Summer from Cartabella, Hometown USA from Doodlebug Design, The Simple Vintage Linen Market by Simple Stories, and Crafty Things by Simple Stories. So you can see you have a wide variety of things to scrap. We have the 4th of July, we have just general summer themes, we have crafty hobby themed, just absolutely 4 amazing collections. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get this month. Our first collection we're going to look at is Sunflower Summer from Cartabella. So this is a beautiful sunflower collection. You could document just about anything with this collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. We have this pattern paper with the sunflowers and the mushrooms and the little leaves. The back is a minty green grid design. This paper is called Sunflower Garden. We have a beautiful plaid. You're going to see all of the colors from this collection here. The back is a 2-toned orange with a diamond print. That paper is called Sunny Plaid. A beautiful little tiny sunflower print on the white. The back is a green gingham. That paper is called Sunflower Clusters, and all of these are those heavy textured cardstocks that Cartabella is known for. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a yellow plaid border and then a large scallop little sunflower border, super cute. All the little banners here. We have a banner that says sunshine, so that's a great way to start in a title or a subtitle on your page. Love the little canning jars here. A little basket of sunflowers. It's just gorgeous and lots of fun little quotes. Be someone's sunshine when their skies are gray. So that is Sunflower Summer from Cartabella. Our next collection from Doodlebug is Hometown USA. So this is all about the 4th of July or anything patriotic. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of basil white cardstock. We have this paper, the red, white, and blue, which is the stripes. The back is a 2-tone blue star print. This paper's I Love America, which has the hearts and the red, white, and blue. And the back is a paisley print, tone on tone red. Love that little play on the pattern. This one's Picnic Plaid, so it's a red plaid with white. And then we have the red and blue florals, little tiny florals, super gorgeous. So if you like the B-side of papers, you're going to love this one because it reminds me of mostly a B-side pattern. It's a small print, a repeating pattern, so that's a lot of fun. Then you're going to receive some of the bits and pieces and the odds and ends. So this is just Doodlebug's ephemera packs. Love all of these large graphics and then all of the different words. And then we got little tiny hearts and stars. You're also going to receive some jewel stars. So these will vary in the color. All of the embellishments will vary, but that's a good representation. So that is Hometown USA from Doodlebug. Our next collection from Simple Stories is the Simple Vintage Linen Market. So I love their Simple Vintage collections. This, to me, screams Americana. It has the red and the blue, but it also has pops of yellow and all of that. So it's just a good hometown country feel to it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Basil Typhoon cardstock. Those may vary. It will be similar to this color, but it might be a different color than Typhoon when they actually ship due to shipping issues right now. Your pattern paper is this one, Blue Skies Ahead, which I'm going to show both of these next together because this is a gorgeous paper. It has a text print back in there that may not show up. Has all of your border done for you, and then look at this paper. This is Life is Sweet, and it has a border. I don't know if I can get it all in there. Let me kind of squish it. It has a border on the right hand side with this beautiful bucket of florals and repeats that same border. So if you like double pages, then you're going to be able to create a double page just from this. It's just stunning. So I thought that was a lot of fun. I wanted to show that together so that you could see that. The back is this beautiful red and blue floral with the little yellow background. Again, if you don't do double pages, you could still use these as backgrounds, or you could decide to use one of them for the B-side. So this one is Life is Sweet. The back is a polka dot on yellow. And then we have Walking on Sunshine, which are these beautiful pink florals on the yellow. And the back is a white polka dot on red. So I just love those colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam stickers. So all of your embellishments will vary, but these were the ones that I got. A couple of words, and then days like these, and then a butterfly, bee, and a little ladybug. And then you're also going to get some of the floral bits and the bits and pieces. So I love this. This is already that layered up embellishment, so you don't have to do anything to it. Some other florals, but again, all of those will vary. So that is Simple Vintage Linen Market from Simple Stories. Our final collection is Crafty Things from Simple Stories. So this is perfect for all of your crafty documenting. Definitely scrap about yourself and your hobby. It also has a lot of these gorgeous florals so that you could even do layouts with just the florals. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this paper called Make Pretty Things, which is this play on a paintbrush with florals down here on the black. The back is a diagonal stripe. We have this beautiful floral on that minty green. This paper's called Cute and Happy. And then we have a yellow grid design on the back. This paper, this right here, is this fun notebook background paper. It has the little dots over here, kind of like a spiral notebook. Florals over here. I love papers like this because you can just tuck in photos or whatever and journal right on the background. The back is a wide stripe with all of those beautiful colors from this collection. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the puffy stickers. So all of these embellishments will vary. These are the ones that I got. Then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So these are from the florals and the bits and pieces collections. So you can see these came from the floral bits, and then these other ones would have come from the bits and pieces. So you have some fun little crafty icons and then beautiful florals. You're also going to get some enamel dots. These will vary as well. I got some gold glitter ones, just gorgeous, and it matches this gold foiling in this collection. So that is Simple Stories Crafty Things. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Now, if you're like me and you're looking at this and going, I love these, I need more, then check out these reveal videos here at the end. We have the 3 add-on kits to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. So you can add more pattern paper, more cardstock, more embellishments. You can also add more paper and embellishments by picking up the Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.